All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part one. What's your favorite animal and why?
I like cats very much. I feel that they are so innocent. Whenever I see a watch, even today, when I was walking in the street, I saw three little cats. I try to catch them and want to talk with them. I like cats very much.
All right, roasted or otherwise? All right, let's go on. What is the most popular animal in your, like Chinese people? Okay, not like that. Okay, sorry about that.
It's
Now,
okay.
what is the most popular animal in your country? I mean, you will not talk about politicians, right? Yeah. So,
I think dogs are very commonly we can see in my country. Yes, I think a lot of dogs we can see
Go on,
everywhere
go on, go
in
on, go on, go
the streets and on the roads and everywhere during we walk and drive on the roads and anywhere. I think dogs. We have a lot of dogs in my country.
exactly. Well, we don't have monkeys, lot of monkeys. There are hardly one or two. Okay, so that's fine, very good. So you just need to elaborate and be
Yes.
confident. Yes, let's go on. Have you ever had a pet? Have you ever had? Which tense? Danda marne thode siran ch. Present perfect. Have you ever had a pet? Have you ever? Yeah.
Uh,
Now, sorry. Whenever the question is in present perfect, first sentence will go in present perfect and then past tense. Got it? First sentence present and then past tense. So, have you ever had a pet?
Actually, I don't have a pet in these days, but I have
I had
had
a-
a,
yeah.
cat as a pet at my home. My children also want to have a pet at home, and we all like cats, and cats are very friendly as well. So we have had cat
We
at
had
home.
cats. Cats
Cat-
are very
cat.
friendly and delicious.
Yes.
So, all right, let's go on. One last question. Would you like to keep a pet in the future?
No.
Why not? Do you like
Because-
cats?
Yes, I love, but it's not easy to take a pet at home because it's I have to do everything for him. My children are
understand.
just
I know
just
what you mean by everything.
Yes. And especially cats have hair fall very much during I don't know what's the season. I think in winter or yes, in
You can
winter.
try Head and Shoulders with your cats, no?
I tried, but I failed.
Okay, all right. This is very
Yes.
good. Your answers are good. Keep it up like this and focus the question and the way you are answering. This is very, very good thing. I mean, you will influence the examiner very well, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.